Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start with the chapter 3 exercise 3.2, the first problem. Find the value of x in the following figure. Here the triangle is given, we can see, and there are three angles on the exterior. We have to find out the value of x. Now what is this? How can we find out? It is based on only one fact, the sum of the exterior angles, sum of the exterior angles of a polynomial is 360 degrees. Now that polynomial may be a three-sided figure, or the next figure we can see there are 5 sides. It can be any type of a figure. So we will add these three and we will equate it to 360. So it is 125 degrees plus 125 degrees plus x is 360 degrees. So x plus 250, 125 plus 125 is 250. So we will subtract it. X is 360 minus 250. So the value of x is 110 degrees. So this way, second problem also, but here the problem is that this and this diagram, these angles are not given. Again we will add the same thing, we will use the same formula, but we will give them 1 and this 2. What is the value of this? Angle 1 is, since it is forming a linear pair here with the external angle, therefore it is 180 minus 90. So this is 90, therefore the other side, so angle 1. So this is angle 1. So this is 90, therefore angle 1 is be also equal to 90. Angle 1 plus 90 is 180. So angle 2, how will you get? Angle 2 is again 180 minus 90. So angle 2 is also equals to 90 degrees. So we will add angle 1 60, angle 2 and 70, and angle x we will get the angle. So angle 1 plus 60 degrees plus angle 2 plus 70 degrees plus angle x is 360 degrees. So we will add 60 plus 70 is, and this 90 we will add. So 90 plus 60 plus 70 plus this 90 plus x is 360. So 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 70, 250, 250 and 60 is 310. So 310 plus x is 360 degrees. So x is 360 minus 310, 50 degrees. Find the measure of each of the exterior angle of a regular polygon. Regular polygon means all the sides are equal. Now here there are 9 sides, 9 sides are equal, therefore the angles also will be equal. Each exterior angle, so each exterior angle (360) upon number of sides. So it is 360 upon 9, 9 4s are 36, so it is 40. So each exterior angle angle is of 40 degrees. So here again the same type of a problem. Each exterior angle or exterior angle will be equal to 360 upon number of sides 15, so 24. So we can divide, there is no problem. 360 and this 15. So 15 to the 30, this is 60 and 15 for the 60. So we see the angle, exterior angle is 24 degrees. 24 into 15 is 360. Now here they have given us the regular polygon and exterior angles. Now again we will use that same type of a formula. So number of sides, they have asked, number of sides are asked. Some of the exterior angles is 360. So number of sides I will get, number of sides is 360 upon exterior angle. Exterior angle for us is given is 24. So 360 upon 24. So we can divide and find out. See, it is 15. So the answer is 15 for us. There are 15 sides. Number of sides is 15. So next one, here it is given regular polygon but interior angle is given. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of the interior angles is 165 degrees? Now how do we solve it? Here all the problems that we have solved, we have taken the exterior angle. Now we have to understand one thing. If we draw a figure like this, now this is a interior angle 165 degrees and this is an exterior angle. Okay, so this is an exterior angle. Now interior and exterior angle form a linear pair. So this interior angle plus exterior angle will be 180. So we can subtract it. Exterior angle plus interior angle will be equal to 180 degrees. So exterior angle plus 165 is 180 degrees. So we will take it on the other side. So exterior angle (180) minus 165 degrees. So exterior angle is 15 degrees. Sides. Now we have to find out the sides. Number of sides is 360 upon exterior angle. So 360 upon 15. 360 upon 15 is 24. So number of sides we'll write down 24. So that is the answer. That's all for today's video. I hope you have understood and liked today's problem. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends and classmates. See you all in the next video with a new problem. Thank you.